With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's solve the question. The figure given below represents the stage of cell division. Read the following statements. Now, we have two types of divisions, right? One is mitosis, where two daughter cells are formed and the chromosome number is equally distributed between the two daughter cells. And the second type of division is meiosis. In meiosis, four daughter cells are formed and the chromosome number is halved. Alright. Now, we can divide both mitosis and meiosis into four stages. First is prophase. Prophase is the stage where the chromatin or the chromosome divides into sister chromatids. Alright. And this happens in the prophase stage of mitosis. So, the division that is taking place here is mitosis. Alright. Now, here the sister chromatids, we can see that they have separated. Alright. Second stage is metaphase. In metaphase, these sister chromatids get collected at the center of the cell. Alright. Which is called as the metaphase plate. Alright, so the sister chromatids will get arranged at the metaphase plate in the metaphase stage. Alright, the third stage is called as the anaphase. In anaphase, these sister chromatids start moving towards the pole. Alright, move towards pole. Alright, and the last stage is called as the telophase stage, where the differentiation is or the division is completing, right? So division is almost complete and two daughter cells are formed, alright, in the telophase stage. So let's read the statements that are given to us. The first is Nucleolus, Golgi complex and ER reform. Alright, so this will not, as we can see when we look at this image, here these six sister chromatids are moving towards the pole, right? Now this reformation of all these organelles will take place in the telophase stage, right? Whereas our image is not showing the telophase stage, it is showing the anaphase stage. Alright, so this statement will be incorrect. Then second says chromatids move to the opposite pole. So that we can see from this image that these sister chromatids are moving towards the opposite pole, and which is happening in anaphase, right? So this statement will be correct for anaphase. Then third says the activity of the recombinase enzyme. Now recombinase enzyme is required for crossing over. Alright, and the crossing over takes place during meiosis, which is not happening in mitosis, right? So this statement will be incorrect. Then fourth says homologous chromosomes separate while sister chromatids associated at their centromere. So we can see that these two are homologous chromosome, these two are homologous chromosome. They have separated, right? But the sister chromatids are attached to their centromere. So this statement is also correct. And the last one says initiation of the assembly of mitotic spindle. So mitotic spindle formation takes place during the prophase, late prophase or early metaphase, right? So again, this will be incorrect for anaphase stage of mitosis. Alright. So now what we have to do is how many of the above statement is not true with respect to the above figure. So we have seen that three statements are not true for this anaphase stage given here. So our correct answer will be option 2, that is 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.